In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert symbols and special characters in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to add the symbol or special character. This can be any spreadsheet you're currently working on. Once the workbook is open, click on the specific cell where you want the symbol to appear. It's a good idea to choose the exact cell first, so Excel knows where to place the character when you insert it. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where Excel keeps tools for adding different elements into your worksheet. In the Symbols group, click Symbol. As soon as you do that, a dialog box will appear. At the top of this box, you'll see two tabs, one for symbols and another for special characters. These two sections help you find exactly what you need, depending on the type of character you want to insert. If you want to use a special character, click the Special Characters tab. You'll see a list of available characters in that section. Browse through the list, select the special character you want to use, and then click Insert. Excel will place that character into the cell you selected earlier. If you want to insert a symbol instead, click the Symbols tab. In this section, you may need to choose a font first, depending on the type of symbol you're looking for. Different fonts can contain different symbol sets, so changing the font can help if you don't immediately see the symbol you need. You can also use the subset drop-down to narrow down the available symbols. This makes it much easier to find categories like mathematical operators, currency symbols, arrows, or other special marks without scrolling through everything manually. Once you find the symbol you want, click on it, then click Insert. If you need to add more than one symbol, you can continue selecting and inserting them while the dialog box remains open. When you're finished, click Close to exit the dialog box. Your selected symbol or special character will remain in the cell, and you can continue editing your worksheet as usual. And that's it. That's how to insert symbols and special characters in Excel. It's a simple feature, but it can be incredibly useful when you want to make your spreadsheet clearer, more professional, or more precise.